dati ako nag-work sa isang oil and gas company. And syempre, part of doing the work there is being accurate in the data and in logging in the figures, the correct figures. And one time, meron akong kasama sa operation. And then as we were doing the final tally of the operation, napansin namin na merong mali. So, ang tingin ko sa sarili ko, hindi ako nagkakamali. I'm very straightforward. I'm very serious with my work. So, that only means one thing, na kung hindi ako, siya. So, as we made the computations, napansin nga namin na ang mali ay hindi ako, pero siya. So, ang tingin ko noon, kasi dahil siya naman ang mali, dapat siya ang magpaliwanag. So, ang ginawa ko, sabi ko sa kanya, mag-email ka sa ating boss. Tapos sabihin mo na nagkamali ka para maipaliwanag ang lahat. So, akala ko tapos na. Then, sabi ni boss, tumawag sa akin. Tapos sabi, kakausapin daw ako. So, ang tingin ko, he would just commend me for doing a good job and not like my coworker na nagkamali. Pero ang sabi niya, when I talk to him, I should be accountable and not blame my coworker because I am his senior. So it's a heartbreak. Parang tumama sa heart ko na, teka, mali naman siya. Bakit ako ang sinasabing mali? Bakit mali siya, pero parang ang blame ay nasa sa akin? Then I came to realize that there is a line between blame and accountability. When we talk about blaming, we are pointing fingers at other people. And when we talk about accountability, it is taking responsibility for other people.